Hello, my name is Shea Butters and we're about to get into this beat. I'm not really sure if I want to go for like a glam look or an everyday look. My everyday look is kind of glam though, so I'm just gonna like listen to the makeup gods and see what she tells me. So I like to start with my eyes first. So I'm gonna start with my eyebrows and go in with this MAKIAGE brow pen in shade Espresso, because she waking up. I absolutely love how pigmented this brow pencil is. Like it's pigmented, but it's not harsh. You see how those strokes just go on so lightly and smoothly? Like, looks so good. Love it. Now I'm gonna use the Fuck It, I'm Flawless concealer in shade 12.5 to conceal my eyebrows. This is what the shade looks like. It's so pretty. Like, look how blendable this is. I'm literally using my fingers to blend this in, and it's blending in so effortlessly. Look at that. It looks so good. Boom. Brush for what? Brush why? Oh my goodness, my boss just called, and so I'm about to go in with the MAKIAGE Color Boss Quad. Look at these shades. This is in shade The Real Deal. Like, she's giving real deal. She's the real deal. So I'm gonna go in with this rosy pink color called Lush Life. I'm just doing this to bring all the colors in. Honestly, I still don't know what look I'm going for, so bear with me. So I'm using Own It. I know one thing, these eyeshadows are showing up. I did not use any eyeshadow primer. This is just the eyeshadows doing its work. And it is getting paid overtime, okay? It is getting paid overtime. Now I'm gonna go in with No Bullshits. Oh, wow. I mean, look how that just glides right on. Wow. I just love how this little boss right here, this is all you need while traveling. Like, just take this one little compact with you and you have a full eye look. That's perfect. I love it. Look at that. To just bump this look up even more, I'm going to use Color Boss and Wanted. It's a black shade, and yeah, I want to just put that. I know I sound like a broken record, but the pigmentation in these products is just, it's kind of alarming. It's kind of scary because, like, how are you showing up so well? It's amazing. Look at that. This isn't eyeliner. This is just eyeshadow. Now I'm going to use actual eyeliner in shade Black. This is the ink liner. This felt tip, it's so precise and it's so pointed. I love it. Now I'm going to use the Icon mascara. I love how this mascara is not clumping. It's actually separating all of my lashes and making them look fuller than what they are. It looks so good. Time for skin. And I'm going in with my No Filter Poreless Base, the smoothing primer. Smooth like butters, Shea Butters to be exact. This primer feels so good. I'm sure there's like some skincare elements in this because it feels so good on my skin. It feels so light. You know what time it is. Woke up like this. Foundation. I'm using my MAKIAGE foundation brush. Can you just look at how perfect this matches my skin? It looks so good. Oh my goodness. I took the quiz online, the shade match quiz, and like, it's astonishing how spot on it was. I'm not gonna lie, I was like a little hesitant, like, oh, this can't work, but it does, because look at the difference. Like, matched me better than I would have matched myself, honestly. Can you help me in my love life too? Going to conceal and highlight with the Fuck It, I'm Flawless concealer in shade 12.5. I love how lightweight this feels. It blends so easily too, like. Now it's time to set with the translucent loose powder by MAKIAGE. A little definitely goes a long way with this powder. It definitely got rid of the shine, but it's not cakey, it's not heavy, it feels very light. Now I'm gonna go in with the Mineral Baked Blush in shade Poker Face. Oh, this blush goes on so well. It's so pretty. Again, so pigmented, like everything Il Makiage makes. And this shade goes really well with my eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna use the Hydrating Setting Spray. Like all the products, I love how the setting spray just brought out my radiant glow. It looks so good. My skin looks amazing. Yes. So I'm going to use the Infinity Longwear Matte Lip Cream in shade Matte Storm as my lip liner. Listen, this lip liner ain't moving nowhere. Like my color is staying in. My color is locked. Now I'm gonna go in with the Infinity Longwear Matte Lip Cream, again in shade Matte Lit. Although the matte lip creams aren't drying at all, I'm gonna go in with some gloss. This is the Lip Service in shade Petty Crimes. I literally just love a gloss. Like I can't. I love a gloss, I'm sorry. This is my final look. I love these products so much. It really just elevates the confidence I already have. It makes me feel strong, powerful,